possible.
Is that a spoiler?
So remember, find a window between people's
I think it's a spoiler. Is it? Is it?
Members of the 5-4 club like me towards the front or standing in front of the 6 cement partitions. Awesome. So many beautiful Laio cosplays. All right. All right, everybody, let's move.
Center them on the hill. Could you center them on the hill? Could you center them on the hill there?
Yeah, if y'all could just take it.
Okay, we'll be doing a regular pose and a silly pose with your regulars.
Yeah, embrace the spirit of Laio. All right, everybody ready? And first photo in 3, 2, 1. Photographers, everybody got that pose? Awesome. All right, now a silly one. It was a silly Laio's pose, folks. Oh, excellent. I see a lot of hair claws. One of Laio's excellent and notable impression of a dog. All right, and in 3, 2. Did everybody get that one? All right, awesome. We are now moving on to our. All right, we've got a couple of Marseilles up on the hill. Love all the beautiful variations of Marseille. Y'all all look stunning. So many different hairstyles.
Get them centered.
Everybody, most of the way up on the hill.
Centered on the hill, please.
Everybody, all right. Oh, a couple more. All right, everybody, for the Marseille, like I said, find a window. Make sure your elbow isn't in front of anyone's face. And be careful if you're wearing heels. Oh, little baby Marseille in the front. You look stunning, darling. All right, we got all our Marseilles. All right, your best Canon Marseille pose. Get that Canon Marseille out, and in 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone got that one? All right, silly Marseille time. Everyone give me a goofy silly Marseille pose. Stick your tongue out. Look disgusted at the mushroom you're gonna have to eat. All right, silly pose in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Y'all are doing some of the lovely expressions for us today. All right, we've got the Chill Chucks up next. Our Union Man. Woo-hoo!
And the first pose is going to be your Tarzan pose, your regular pose.
Hey, you got your 10.
Alright, everyone ready?
Can you hear me now?
Anyone want to sing? Alright. Regular pose in 3, 2, 1. Alright. And silly pose. Any silly poses? I hope they all look
Watch out for the trap.
Alright, silly pose. Picture in 3, 2, 1.
Get your shit on. Get your shit on.
Thank you, Chucks. Next, we're going to do
You were like one on the cover. I was like, where is he? My beautiful butch
and
lesbian.
cheese. Beautiful.
Are you about that? No, because before I saw him, I thought he was a beautiful butch woman, and then I was like, oh, that beautiful butch fix. Dude, I love the mushroom.
Alright, get ready with your cannon pose. Any senchis are missing? Alright, cannon pose in 3, 2, 1. Can we squish in a little bit more? Can we make another section right up front? Like use the full hill. Squish in a little bit more. Beautiful. Amazing. Cannon pose 3, 2, 1. And our silly poses. All right, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, sensies. Now we can onto this side. All right, don't go the other direction. Let's keep space over.
Well, I gotta get him back as well.
Just pick one of
Yeah,
the
please
two.
do be careful. Take your time. No rush. Go couple.
Wait.
One more. Wait, hold tight, hold tight. All right. Can we squish a little bit closer? Yeah, I'm sorry, it's hot, I know. I'll try to be quick. All right, cannon pose. In. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Nice, and silly pose. Silly pose, silly pose. Ah. All right, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. All right, Fallon will be next. Are we good? Okay, cannon pose. In 3, 2, 1. All right, silly pose. Get ready.
No.
It's magnetic. All right, silly pose. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, now Fallons can stay up. We're gonna do Laos's party. If you are in. We're doing great. Cannon poses.
Looking for Daddy!
2, 1. Lovely, you guys look great. All right, now get your silly poses ready. Be silly, be goofy, be fun. Very cute, you guys look very silly. All right, we got silly poses in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, someone takes a walk.
Lovely. Okay, now all of you get out of here. It's going to be Congress party. Cannon pose in 3, 2, 1. All right, and then a silly pose. Cover's freaking out. Triple anxiety. All right, silly pose in 3, 2, 1. And then Cobbers, actually Rin, you go first. We'll do an individual Rin if you don't mind. Pose on our cannon pose.
Yeah, I just figured.
3, 2, 1.
It's tough.
And a silly pose.
The only girl is Trevor, Taryn, when we saw her the first time, I was like, that is Trevor's ideal woman.
And then Tades, if you could please stay up. And then Cheryl, if you would like. And second pose. Silly, cute. Oh, amazing. 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Thank you so much. And our show, if you would like to do an individual. 3, 2, 1. And then give us some silly, cool pose.
You'll never have
Lovely. Thank you. Everyone give it up for one show. Pose in 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's get a silly one with our lovely canary. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, and in 3, 2, 1. Excellent job, canaries. All right. Amazing. All right. Okay, again, golden country, that is Delgold. Oh my god. Yad Thistle or the winged lion. Okay, cannon pose. All right, 3, 2, 1. And our silly pose. Oh my god. All right, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Golden Country characters. Next is going to be any monsters. And mushroom light if you're a monster. If you are Chimera, any of those, please return. Heroic talents do count. Heroic talent, chicken dragon, not thank you. Woo! Yeah, let's do it. Please squish into two rows if possible. Maybe mushrooms in the back, salads in the front. Empty hole. Like there's like one salad who's being separated from the rest. Can we move one person to the closer? Thank you. Amazing. Alright, pose one. 3, 2, 1. And the pose 2 is on face or just cute or anything. Your second pose, please. We're having some movement. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. This is going to get a little hectic. So everyone please be... All cosplayers! Thank you for I see some people coming in front. All cosplayers! All cosplayers are doing one group photo. Try to find some space. We have a couple more. Squish in. You can sit on the grass up here too. Let's try to get everyone in. Okay. Let me have it. Okay, get your pose one ready, please. All right, pose one in 3, 2, 1. And get silly pose. Alright, silly pose. I'm gonna count down 3, 2, 1, but do another 3, 2, 1. I'm putting down the mic. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, that's a double mushroom.
Alright. Thank you guys so much. Fourth grade, please exit the back, please.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, be careful, slowly. Watch your step.
Thank you.